Okay.
Sumay ang sakit.
Then check her heart. Because her heart is sakit.
Di kagid ba na siya?
Oh, her heart is sakit. Alright, Mimi. I will fix it. Say,
Paigda si Miming.
okay. Okay, sit, Mimi, okay? Okay, alright.
Lie down, Lala.
Lay down, Lala. Lala, lay down ka. I will check your heart. I will check this one down. Lay down, Lala. Okay. Lay down, okay?
Ano na? Paigda.
Wait a sec. Oh, Leonard. Lay down now. Lay down, okay?
Sige lang, ana lang.
Okay. I'll put it in. Okay. 1, 2, check. Yeah, I'm a doctor. Because I will check up. Open your eyes.
Be careful, ha?
Oh,
Yawan, kung saan. Open your eyes.
Open your mouth. Say
Hoy!
I'll see.
Yawan, tanan ni open your mouth nga. Papakan ka na. Ayaw lang siya pugsa. It's okay.
Okay.
Imang po na siya mamaak, pero be careful.
Okay.
You have to be careful.
Be careful, Mimi. Don't see.
Si Sky, kay bago man nanganak si Sky, hindi mo i-check yung baby. Ayan na lang. I-sleep pa man.
1, 2, check. And now let's do medicine. Let's go to the medicine. Open your mouth. Say Okay. I'll get this. Okay, you will get this.
Ay, be careful.
Asaman, katonia es. Asaman, dugani es.
Na sila, ni Sky, oh.
Sky!
Bago na nanganak si Sky.
Come on. Sky, we can doctor. Yeah, we doctor.
Ayaw lang na si Sky, kay nagkuhan pa na siya sa iyang baby.
Sky. I get the ants. Put inside an ant. Chest.
Sumay ang sakit.
I get the ants. I'll get
Wala,
you.
higda na siya. Check na iyang kuan heart.
Okay. I'll check your heart. Left glasses.
Ayaw, pasakiti ha.
Okay.
Be careful.
Oh no.
Enough na.
Okay. It's enough. Very good. 1, 2.
Mag-home na siya.
Check.